Being at a healthy weight is important. It's not just about looking good, but also about feeling your best and living a healthier life. Maintaining a healthy weight can improve your overall well-being and boost your confidence. It helps you feel good and have more energy. When you carry less weight, your body doesn't have to work as hard, making everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. You'll find that you have more stamina to do the things you love. When you are at a healthy weight, you are less likely to have health problems. Regular checkups with your doctor can help you stay on track and monitor your progress. Staying active and eating well are key components of maintaining a healthy weight. These problems include heart disease, diabetes, and some types of cancer. By keeping your weight in check, you reduce the strain on your heart and other vital organs, which can help you live a longer, healthier life. Losing weight can be challenging, but it is definitely possible. With determination and the right support, you can achieve your weight loss goals. Remember, every small step counts and brings you closer to a healthier you. One of the best ways to lose weight is to do cardio exercise. Cardio exercises, such as running, cycling, and swimming, are great for burning calories and improving your cardiovascular health. Cardio is any exercise that gets your heart rate up. It can be as simple as a brisk walk or as intense as a high-intensity interval training, HIIT, session. The key is to find an activity you enjoy so you can stick with it. Cardio helps you burn calories. The more intense the activity, the more calories you burn. Using a fitness tracker can help you keep track of your progress and stay motivated. Burning calories is important for weight loss. Keeping a log of your food intake and exercise can help you stay accountable and make healthier choices. It's all about creating a balance that works for you. You need to burn more calories than you eat to lose weight. This is known as a calorie deficit. Eating a balanced diet and staying active are essential for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Cardio is good for your overall health too. It's not just about weight loss. It also helps improve your mood, reduce stress, and increase your overall fitness level. Engaging in regular physical activity can bring joy and a sense of accomplishment. It makes your heart and lungs stronger. By incorporating cardio into your routine, you can enhance your endurance and improve your respiratory health. So get moving and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, more active lifestyle. There are many different types of cardio exercises. Cardio, short for cardiovascular exercise, is any activity that gets your heart rate up and keeps it up for a prolonged period of time. It's essential for maintaining a healthy heart and lungs, and it can also help you lose weight, reduce stress, and improve your overall mood. You can choose the ones that you enjoy the most. The key is to find an activity that you look forward to doing, so it doesn't feel like a chore. Whether you prefer the solitude of a solo run or the camaraderie of a group class, there's a cardio workout out there for you. Some popular cardio exercises include running. Running is a great way to burn calories and improve your cardiovascular fitness. It's accessible and requires no special equipment, just a good pair of running shoes. You can run almost anywhere, whether it's on a trail, in a park, or on a track. Cycling is a low-impact exercise that is easy on your joints. It is a good option if you are new to exercise. You can cycle outdoors on roads and trails, or indoors on a stationary bike. It's also a great way to explore your surroundings while getting a workout. Swimming is a full-body workout that is also low-impact. It is a good choice if you have joint pain. The water provides resistance, which helps to build strength and endurance, while also being gentle on your body. Dancing is a fun and effective way to get your heart rate up. Whether it's a structured class like Zumba or just dancing around your living room, it's a great way to burn calories and improve your coordination. Jumping rope is a great way to burn calories and improve your coordination. It's a high-intensity workout that can be done almost anywhere, and it's also a lot of fun. You can do cardio exercises outdoors or indoors. The flexibility of cardio workouts means you can fit them into your schedule no matter where you are. Whether you prefer the fresh air of an outdoor run or the convenience of an indoor treadmill, the choice is yours. You can also join a gym or fitness class. Many gyms offer a variety of cardio classes, from spinning to aerobics, which can help keep you motivated and make your workouts more enjoyable. Plus, having a personal trainer can provide you with the guidance and support you need to reach your fitness goals. Cardio helps you burn calories. It's one of the most effective ways to shed those extra pounds and improve your overall health. Whether you prefer running, cycling, or even dancing, any activity that gets your heart rate up can help you achieve your fitness goals. This is because it makes your heart beat faster. When your heart rate increases, your body works harder to pump blood and oxygen to your muscles. When your heart beats faster, you use more energy. This increased energy expenditure helps you burn more calories even after your workout is over. The more intense your cardio workout, the more calories you will burn. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is particularly effective for maximizing calorie burn in a short amount of time. Cardio also helps boost your metabolism. A higher metabolism means your body is more efficient at using energy, which can aid in weight loss and maintenance. Your metabolism is how your body burns calories at rest. Even when you're not active, a higher metabolism means you're burning more calories throughout the day. When you do cardio, your metabolism speeds up. This effect can last for hours after your workout, helping you burn more calories even when you're relaxing. This means you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you are not exercising. Simple activities like fidgeting or standing can also contribute to your daily calorie burn. To lose weight, aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio most days of the week. Consistency is key, so find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Section 4. Cardio, a boost for your mood. Cardio exercise is not just good for your physical health, it is also good for your mental health. Cardio can help reduce stress and anxiety. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins. Endorphins are hormones that have mood-boosting effects. Cardio can also help improve your sleep quality. If you are feeling stressed or anxious, try going for a walk or run. You will be surprised at how much better you feel. Section 5. Listen to your body. Start slowly. It is important to start slowly when you are first starting a cardio exercise program. Do not try to do too much too soon. Listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. If you are new to exercise, start with a few short workouts each week. As you get more fit, you can gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Make sure to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts. Section 6. Cardio, your key to a healthier life. Cardio is a powerful tool for weight loss and overall health. It helps you burn calories, boost your metabolism, and improve your mental health. There are many different types of cardio exercises to choose from. Find something you enjoy and get moving. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. With a little effort, you can make cardio a part of your regular routine and reap the many benefits it has to offer.